July 20th, 1969, humanity achieved what was once thought impossible. Apollo 11 touched down on the moon, and Neil Armstrong took that one giant leap for mankind. But what many don't realize is, Apollo 11 didn't just make history that day, it left history behind. From scientific tools, to human footprints and even personal mementos, the surface of the moon still carries the legacy of that mission, perfectly preserved in its silent dust. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating story of what the Apollo 11 astronauts really left behind, and what it tells us about human curiosity, pride, and purpose. When Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin completed their tasks, they didn't leave the moon empty-handed, but they couldn't bring everything back either. The lunar module Eagle left its descent stage on the surface, a metallic base that still sits there today, like a monument to human achievement. Alongside it, several scientific instruments were left to collect data, including the passive seismic experiment, which recorded moonquakes, and the lunar laser ranging retroreflector, which still helps scientists measure the exact distance between Earth and the moon using lasers. That's right, even today, more than 50 years later, scientists fire laser beams from Earth to the reflector placed by Apollo 11, and the light bounces back. Taking about 2.5 seconds round trip. It's one of the few Apollo tools that's still working. Beyond the science, the Apollo 11 mission also left behind symbols of human spirit. The American flag, though now likely bleached white by solar radiation, was planted proudly in the moon's dust. Near it lies a plaque that reads, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon, July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind." They also left commemorative medallions, mission patches, and even a small silicon disc containing goodwill messages from 73 world leaders. A reminder that the mission wasn't just an American triumph, but a milestone for all humanity. And yes, they left a few very human items too, including bags of waste, because launching off the moon required shedding extra weight. Even human footprints and rover tracks are still there, completely undisturbed because the moon has no wind or rain to erase them. Every artifact left on the moon tells a part of our story, not just of technology, but of who we are. In total, over 100 items remain from Apollo 11 alone, silently marking where humanity first touched another world. They've become a time capsule, proof that we once dared to dream beyond our planet. NASA now even considers these sites as heritage locations, protected by space treaties and international respect, because they represent not only American history, but human history. What Apollo 11 left behind on the moon wasn't just machinery and flags, it left a message that even in the vast emptiness of space, humans leave traces of wonder, courage, and hope. So next time you look up at the moon, remember, our footprints are still there, waiting for us to return.